Hey, what's up everyone? It's a bit Altered Tech back again with a new exciting video. In today's video, we have, if there's anything you guys need to know about the Whitestone Dome for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, you guys clicked on the right video. We have everything that you would need to set up your Galaxy S22 Ultra. We have the USB-C cables, we have the power brick, we have the camera hump protector, we have the tempered glass screen protector, we have the case, and we also have the film screen protector if you guys are a little bit more intimidated about that tempered glass. Now this has the tempered glass screen protector installed already, and what I can tell you guys right now, it feels very premium and it doesn't feel like you're using a plastic screen protector. Now if you guys are good with your hands and if you go through the installation video and instructions, you guys should be fine. Now I could show you guys my installation process, but I think they did a better job on their own website showing you how to do it, so I'm not going to show you guys that. So right now I just want to show you guys the overall experience, the fingerprint sensor, how does it work. So far it's been working pretty good. I haven't had any issues, any mistouches, any errors. So far pretty good. And I'm coming from the Pixel 6. If you have an S22 Ultra, let me know down below, is yours actually faster than this? Because right now I think it's pretty good. You can barely see that little, that little loop over there for the camera hump. If I took this away, you guys wouldn't even notice that this has a glass on. It's just so perfect. But here's the thing, guys, there's one drawback. It doesn't work on all cases. Now it works for the Ringke cases, but for those hardcore heavy cases, like for the Supcase, it kind of pushes the glass, so it forms kind of like some bubbles. So I would have to use the film if I were to use those cases. I'm a big fan of those cases, by the way. So something else you guys might want to consider is protecting your cameras on the back. Now if you guys are not into adding a case, you should definitely think about this, because this what it does is, if you were to put this flat on the table, it will prevent the lenses from actually touching the surface, and that's number one. Number two, when you're putting this in your pocket, a lot of the times you'll have a lot of lint buildup between the cameras, and this is something I've experienced with the iPhone 13 Pro, which has the same camera layout. Last year Samsung had this beautiful bump coming around it, so it would fill in these gaps. So this is a nice workaround. But the only thing, the only downside to this is that it doesn't fit well with other cases. This case is by Whitestone Dome. This is called the Dome Glass scope case. It's very thin, very light. And what I can tell you guys, the buttons, it feels good. The volume rocker feels good. As for the cutouts on the bottom, they look pretty damn good. And as for the S Pen, for me, I don't have long nails, so I do have to, use my nails to kind of like pry it out a little bit. As you guys could see, there's some cases where they actually did a little cutout over here, but you do have a ledge on the side over here, so it's not like a full wraparound. You definitely feel the ledge. I guess they made it that way so it feels thinner in the hands. As you guys can see in the back, you do have a little bit of a lip protection. It blends in really well with this camera bump protector. For taking photos, I've had no issues. It doesn't really interfere with your photos. There is no glass on this. Basically, it's a metallic frame with cutouts for each camera. There's some, camera bumps like this on Amazon in which they cover your lenses with a clear glass, and that kind of really affects your images. So this is the best way to go. Let's go ahead and see what else you guys might need for your S21. I mean, you guys could get everything in one stop with the Whitestone Dome. You have this USB-C to USB-C cable, and that could go well with your fast charging brick. I know it's not included with your Samsung S22 Ultra. Basically all I got was a USB-C cable and the phone and a SIM card eject tool, and that was it. Now for this cable, it seems a bit thicker than some of these other USB-C cables, and that's because I believe it has about 9 wires inside of this. And it also has, let's see, it has 9 wires and a maximum current of 3 amps and data speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. So this is one of the most high quality cables I've come across. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Let's see what else we have here as well. So for my Supcase, or the UB Pro case, I know the tempered glass on this is just probably gonna pop off. So what I could do is, Whitestone also offers this Dome Premium film. So you're gonna have full coverage, ultrasonic sensor is gonna work, vivid clarity, scratch protection, anti-fingerprint, self-healing function as well. So this is it right over here. So I did place this over my phone, and it covers the entire screen. It doesn't go over the corners. It just goes over where the display lights up. So that's something to keep in mind. But I know for sure it's definitely going to work for my UB Pro case, which I'm a big fan of. This tempered glass screen protector, whatever you want to call it, it looks so damn good with this Galaxy S22 Ultra. You know, I'll tell you guys right now, the installation process, it probably took me about an hour, to be honest. So, you know, reading the directions, watching the videos and whatnot, it's not for everybody. You have to be very careful. But then again, if you guys don't want to go through all that, you guys do have this. Or maybe I should open up a shop and, you know, do some professional display tempered glass display installations for you guys, but I'm just joking. Anyways, guys, this so far it's a very nice combo. If you guys are interested, you know, go down to the website for Whitestone Dome. Everything is designed for the S22 Ultra. If you guys have any questions or comments, please hit me up down below for the fingerprint sensor or anything like that. I'll always be around to answer your questions. If anything happens, I'll come back to the comment section and I'll just, you know, message you guys and let you guys know, hey, this is not working properly or something like that. But overall, right now, I am very happy with how this came out. I'm very happy with the case, the camera hump protection as well. So overall, this is a nice option for you Galaxy S22 Ultra owners. Like I've said, this is a beautiful display, and you guys want to get a high quality, you know, screen protector. Otherwise, everything is probably going to come out a little bit more blurry, and you're going to lose out on some of that colors, like with some of those plastic, you know, thick screen protectors. So anyways, guys, this is Altered Tech signing out with the Whitestone Dome package. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave it down below. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Peace.